Okay, so welcome back. In the last video we created our torch head and the insert, and I forgot to change the name of the head in the part, so I'm going to right click, rename, and I'm going to call this head 2. And the next thing we're going to do is create our lens that goes inside there and our acrylic back panel for it. So I'm going to right click on there, create part studio, and we will call this, right click on there, rename that lens, LENS. And we're going to draw a sketch on the front plane now. So I'm going to start a sketch on the front, look at it on the front, draw a circle, and the circle wants to be 32.5 mil. I'm going to click my little tick to confirm it. And then if I go to the isometric view, click isometric, and I'm going to go to my extrude tool, and I'm going to extrude that through 3 millimeters. So that is our lens, that's done. We're then going to create another new element, another part studio, wait for it to load up, right click, rename, and we'll call this acrylic, AC acrylic back. And again, we're going to create a sketch on the front plane here, look at it from the front, and I'm going to bring in that there, and this wants to be 35.5 mil. And I'm going to click isometric, and I'm going to extrude that through 3. Just change our value there to 3, and click return. So those are all the parts for the torch head, the main assembly of that. So I'm just going to create an assembly drawing. So go to the assembly, and I'm going to insert the parts we've now made. So we should have 4 parts here. So I'm going to insert the head 2, which will slide inside that, and I'm going to just put the lens in to start with there. So what we want to do is create a revolute mate. So we're going to create the revolute mate, and I want to select this face there. So I'm going to double click on that, and that should go. Once that's gone yellow, it's found the center, our axis, and it's selected that face there. I want to do the same here, this face here, a revolute mate. I'm going to click the tick to confirm it, and that has locked that in there. Now the next thing we need to do, and I've probably done this the wrong way round. I have done this the wrong way round. So what we'll do, we know how the revolute works, so I'm just going to cancel that. I'm going to undo that, and we're just going to go back into this again because I want to bring the lens in, and I want to bring the lens face. I'm going to use the revolute mate to put the lens in place. So it's selected that face there with that central axis. It's gone yellow, so I've selected it to confirm it. And I want to get it inside this face here. So I'm going to double click on that there, and it should be putting the lens in there for me. What I also want to do now is, as that's locked in place, is the lens needs to be transparent. So if I drag a box, I need to select this part now. So if I select that part there, and I select the part, and right click on it and go make transparent, you'll see now that that lens is now transparent. So the part is in there, we've made it, but it's a transparent part so that the light can shine through it. We've got the acrylic that goes in here, so I'm going to click the acrylic back in. I'm just going to go to insert, and I'm going to go to insert the acrylic back there, and again I want to just use a revolute mate, double click on that face, and I want to get it inside this part here, click the tick to confirm it. So that's all that in place, and then I need to stick this main assembly inside the torch head. So I'm going to select a box over here, and I want to move the revolute mate and this face there's gone yellow to this face here, and click the tick to confirm, and that is our torch head inside there. Well done, give that a go.